We will help you to learn. Nepali language is a branch of Indo-Aryan language and is similar to Sanskrit and Hindi language. People in Nepal have more than 100 different regional, local and community languages, but Nepali is the official and widely spoken language in Nepal. With the globalization in the world, many Nepalese people can speak the English language fluently, and some can understand but cannot reply in English. So to communicate with people of Nepal, it can be helpful if you learn Nepali. Though, you can feel most of the sentences that Nepalis are speaking are mixed up with English words. Some of the commonly used English words in the Nepali language are time, road, photo, toilet, bathroom, water tank, as tunki in Nepali, pen, vest, t-shirt, color, pants, jacket, etc. The names of electronic devices and technical terms are also similar to English but not all, though people can usually understand if you use English words for Nepali equivalent.